Alright folks, today we are going to work on replacing the HDzero Eco lens. I had the misfortune of crashing head onto a playground sculpture or platform and scuffed and scratched the lens. Just figured this out today on how to remove this lens quite easily without having to take the whole entire casing off, like this black part, because that's what I ended up doing last time and it didn't work out so well. So I have my replacement lens already pulled out. You will need to, or it is cheaper to buy a replacement lens off, let's say Amazon, and you're looking for the OV2640 camera, specifically the 160-degree wide angle lens. From what I read on Facebook, that is the one that you need to get. Now, if you have you will need kind of hot air station. Set it to 100 degrees Celsius to heat up the lens itself, and what you're doing is just basically softening or loosening the epoxy. I'm not sure if it actually loosens the epoxy or loosens the or softens the plastic enclosure, but after that is done, you should be able to unscrew the lens. I've already done it obviously with that replacement there. So we'll just give it a few seconds. I made a mistake of doing this last time at 200 degrees Celsius and it melted the plastic enclosure, so be careful of that. Okay, hopefully that is enough. Let's put this away. And then I get myself some grips and try to loosen it. Hopefully it will give. If it does not, that means I have not heated it long enough. So back to the hot air. Worst case scenario, I replace the camera or just live with the scuff or scratch on the lens, which so happens to be right in the dead center. It's so kind of annoying. Okay, hopefully that's enough. Let's try again. There you go. I just felt it give. Perfect. And unscrew it off. Oh, the vise got loose. Ta-da! And then the replacement goes in. Probably don't want to do it too tight. I have a HDzero monitor I can use to refocus the lens, but yeah, that's about it. Right, new lens, just needs to refocus and we're good to go. That's it folks. Like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.